Hi everyone, I hope everybody is fine in this pandemic time. Try and make a video about Subaru Forester sg9 2.5 turbo engine. So I pull engine off the local breakers yard. I don't know why vehicle been in a scrap yard. So I take all wires out. Some of this been cut as well. I just cut it here, you see. ECU, everything over there, all blocks, cluster or speedometer, keys, ignition, throttle pedal as well, so fuses. So basically all spaghetti wires here. Airbox has been a bit modified, that's been a bit modified as well. So that's the engine on eBay. It's how you see, that's how it will be sold on eBay. So radiator, have BDB issue yesterday. Snap BDB intake fuel line, so it's supposed to be finished here, but it's snapped. So I cut it and reclamp it again, but I don't think so that's a big issue. So I can demonstrate how it's work. So I started the engine, everything run. So I don't know if it's any overheating or anything like that. I'm not set up yet, but I just demonstrate to you a small video. So it's run, it's start. 2 seconds, let me. Right. I have original fuel pump. This is not original, that's only for starting. Right. The vehicle have, or engine have, 869. Right, I turn the ignition quickly. Found the folder as well with history service. So car or engine in UK. 2 seconds, just quickly. It's up to 277,000 miles by the Lambon garage. Okay, so now I just started the engine for you. Surely it's running. Will be a bit noisy, but I don't have a downpipe. On the fuel line, it's a 3 pipes, so one return and another one, I don't know, I think so it's 2 pipes go to feed it. I'm not too sure, I'm not expert with Subaru, but I just show you the engine running, that's more important. More fuel in there. gear selector included as well. So what you see on this pallet, all wires, I call them spaghettis because you don't know which one go where. Car doing 30 miles an hour. Box shaft spinning on the gearbox. By the way, the oil been removed on the scrapyard, so I put oil in there, but I don't know how much oil on the gearbox, so not too sure. The V-bell been done recently, might be on that service book. I'm not taking any cam covers off yet, so I don't know, maybe cam covers been done as well, but everything in the history book. So like I said, it's a 87 868,000 miles engine, history service up to 60,000, or if correct, 59277. So if anyone interested on a engine and box, these engines go on eBay, I don't know, from £1,000 up to 1,200, 1,300 quid, so that's up to people. I will be advertised on eBay. I'll send you the lot number, and yeah, so just let me know if you're interested. Engine will be selling on eBay, so it's a start and run. I'm not checked to any overheating stuff yet because I have to finish engine on this pallet. I probably do it nicely. Basically, I try and do it nice pallet, so all this spaghetti will be done nicely. So obviously exhaust. That bottle only for the steering pump. I don't wash anything, so that's how it is. Engine ej255. So that's the range of the vehicle. You can check anything you like. So I selling how it is. So like again, the vehicle coming in the breakage yard. So obviously I can't start it. If people remove oil of the gearbox, the cooling stuff, the pipes been cut or drained fuel. So I just remove the engine and make it running. So engine bit off in an angle, it's on a ramp. Sorry for mess, but it's in my work facility, so I have a tea break at the moment and I just try and make a video for you guys. So yeah, if anyone interested, like I said, I put the engine on eBay. Obviously, if anyone interested to buy, they have to do it all maintenance, you know, obviously service before you put in the car, oil change, oil filters. Well, I don't have to explain how it's done. So the bell been done recently, or like I said before on service book. Car I've been using, actually, it was muddy, so I think so was used on a field or for the horses, I don't know. So the gearbox was covered with the mud, so I did a bit wash the gearbox, and intercooler been removed as well before. Don't worry about these bolts, they come and go here. So some bolts is missing, like here, on the other side. That's why. That's how it's actually engine running. The because you have another like air pump here go in this hole. I have an air pump as well. Sorry guys, so it was leaking air, sucking air in a different place. I might put some bolt in there. Now engine work nice and quiet. The radiator's a bit of an angle, but I probably put some timber so it will be level. Right, that's how much fuel left, so I'm just waiting when it's run out and I'll finish my little video. It's already 16 minutes. So all wires by the battery, it's my own battery. All ECUs, that's gearbox probably, that's engine ECU, airbag ECU, so gear selector, the oil cooler, the main fuse box. Some wires, like I said before, I cut it, so I don't need it. Anyone can see RPM. RPM and heating. So it's been running about 16 minutes now. It's 18 minutes now. Then I'll just explain for a couple minutes. So yeah, again, engine ej255, so 2.5 liter, inclusive automatic gearbox. So I don't know how's gearbox, perfect or not, but it's running. An engine running, that's more important. Fans, I will be connected the switches over there, the plug. So it's disconnected at the moment. So much fuel left. Waiting when it's run out, or my T-brake run out. Any squeaking noises or anything like that. So yeah, by the way, it's engine in used condition, so don't expect brand new engine. So again, when you decide to buy, you see on YouTube, will be comes up with all wires, radiator, fuse boxes, all ECUs, and history service as well for the vehicle. Well, not for the vehicle, for the engine. You can search anything you like. I'm just showing you the engine running. That's it. Been running about 18 minutes, so can't see any smoke. I might make it more video later and put on a YouTube again, but when I set up everything on the pallet and on the level as well, because I'm on a steep ramp at the moment. So fuel nearly ran out. So once again, before I finish, this fuel line, that's how it's a 3 pipes. So 1 or 2 intake and 1 return. Or if I'm incorrect, just said to me, yes, I don't know how it's set up. I only set up 1. So that's probably a regulator. It's 1 more here, 1 more line, and 1 just reverse, return. So engine will be turned off in a minute. Right, sorry, I just disconnect the pump quickly. It's run out. Let's run out fuel. Right, engine been running 20 minutes. That's the temperature. I don't know, I was showing P, all gears. I don't know if you people can see. Sorry, I'll do it, make it like that. So I probably forgot to connect it. One of these connections. So, I don't know if you can see, it's a 087-875. So I probably said before 86. Ah well, the gearbox been spinning, so yeah, she done a few miles for 20 minutes. So like I said previous time, all these units, all ECUs, 1 over there, gear selector, that's probably immobilizer, key, 1 key, I don't know what's that for. So some switches here, traction off. So yeah, you got all wires in there. Nearly fall down. Right, pipe bit cold. I don't know if touch the turbo. I'll try and show you just if any play in it. Probably silly idea, but it's have a play just a little bit, not major, but yeah, have a play. Ouch, it's a bit hot, but I make it maybe more videos when it's cold. I don't know what's the turbo like, but you probably see on the video it wasn't smoking. So yeah, let me know. Like I said again, engine going on eBay. Thank you very much. Bye.